Alright guys, this is a bike that you may have seen if you've been watching the channel. This is a 92 xr600r. I got it a while back from a guy over close to Beaumont, Texas. Supposedly he got this bike from the original owner and it had 3,500 miles on it. When the old man quit riding it, the guy I got it from had put like 50 hours on it. It's got 59 now, so we're somewhere about 3,500 miles and 60 hours. It's got seal savers, which I'm gonna take those off and maybe put new fork seals in it and put the regular rubber boots, because that's what I think it might be an XR's only case saver. And what is that, primary drive? I put the seat cover on it because it was horrible. The bike had sat for a long time. I got a smoking deal on it. I gave $1,000 for this thing. This is in the beginning of 2022. It's like April now, I think, or something. May. Had some used grips that I put on. I broke the clutch perch. Actually, the bike fell over in a storm sitting over there by the garage, and I got this pro taper setup, which is actually awesome, and I'll buy more of them, and I think I might just put them on everything. But I just wanted to show everybody the bike. It's got a super trap. It's a little bit lean. It has a new carb on it, a new carb body put on by the guy I got it from, and an intake manifold. Got a little shark fin in the back. I'm pretty happy with it. It's really fun. You don't have to mix gas. I just did the first oil change since I've had it. I went riding it a couple times. I have a xr600r front number plate for it, and I want to keep the light on it. It's kind of, some of this stuff is janky. I think this guy's kid did some, like the switch right here, just flopping around, runs the light. But this is it. This is our little track that we ride out. There's Christy's house. There's a dog in a pond over here. Sometimes, we don't really make pond videos, but sometimes late, like on weekend nights, people end up driving into this pond. Like my truck's been stuck right here several times. I almost got stuck on a four-wheeler over there. That's the deep end. But really, I just want to show y'all guys this bike. Y'all stay tuned for more bikes and riding and fun. Y'all take it easy.